Homeowners in Reno need more than the standard once-a-year dryer vent cleaning schedule. The city's dry climate, dusty conditions, and frequent wildlife activity all speed up vent blockages far faster than in other regions. Low humidity makes lint extremely flammable, and blowing dust mixes with it to form dense, hazardous buildup. Wildlife, especially birds and rodents, commonly create nests in exterior vents, sometimes blocking airflow within days. Knowing when to clean comes down to spotting early warning signs. Long drying times, an overheating dryer, burning smells, excess humidity in the laundry room, or visible lint outside all indicate a clogged vent. These symptoms mean it's time to call a Reno dryer vent cleaning professional immediately. Your household's habits also matter. Large families who run the dryer daily often need cleaning every 6 months. Homes with long or complex vent runs, especially in newer neighborhoods like Somerset or Demont Ranch, also require more frequent service because lint collects faster in bends and extended ductwork. Even seniors or low-use households should schedule annual cleanings to maintain safety and efficiency. A clogged vent raises fire risks, strains the appliance, and increases energy costs by up to 30%. Because every home is different, the safest approach is a personalized cleaning schedule. A professional inspection helps determine the right frequency and ensures your dryer runs safely and efficiently.